Hi guys, good morning. So we're going to our workplace and we're just walking. By the way, today is Wednesday. So my message is for the college students, no? This message is for you. So I want you to all do your best, do your utmost best since kanang claim it that you will pass this semester, and then make sure to do your job as a student, and always make sure that you're doing the 101%, no, not just to pass but to render high grades, since it's very important for any workplace, by the way, because that's one of my regret back then, no. And then I didn't study hard. I keep on roaming around along the city or the province, no, not knowing that my grades are getting low, no. And then I don't want you to feel nga magregret at the end, no. What I want you is to encourage you to study hard, always do your best, no. Avoid the temptations, no, and always pray God. Always pray to God your ways, your journey, no. You have to surrender it all to Him. If you have time, you can visit church, no. Okay, that's what I made back then. And then pursue your dreams. Pursue your dreams. Always think that you are not making it for your own, but for your family. And then, yeah, God bless you always. And hope that you will know, no, na you have to study hard, kay not all the students like you enrolled in the prestigious or your dream university, no. You have to do your best. And moro to, bye.